Good morning, everyone. In this class, we will study chapter 3 Subtraction. Subtopic Verify subtraction by addition. Let's start. So, in this class, we will see how we can verify the subtraction by addition. Okay, so as we have done word problem earlier, now we will see how we can verify subtraction by addition. So, here 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 we can see, yes, here we can see, we know difference is equal to what? Difference is what? Whenever we find difference, the difference is what? Whenever we subtrahend from minute, when we subtrahend from minute, we get what? We get difference. Okay, we know now, this one is called minute, this one is called subtrahend, and this is called difference. So how we find difference? When we subtrahend from minute, we get what? We get difference. So if we just add subtrahend and difference, means if we add last two numbers like subtrahend and difference, if we add last two numbers means subtrahend and difference, then we get minute. So in this way we can verify that the subtraction is correct or not. Let's take one example and then we will see how we can do this. So first thing is, in this question we just subtract these two numbers. Means we subtract 3562 from 75,684. Okay. Now let's do it. How we can do this? It's so simple for us now. How we can do just subtraction means here. Yes. So start. Now at one's place, I can see I have 4 and I have 2. So just take away 2 from 4. 3, 4. This means 2. We will write 2 in different. Okay. Now we will see tens place. So at tens place, I can see I have 8 in first number and 6 in next number. So take away 6 from 8. 7, 8. So again 2. So I will write again here 2. Now go for hundreds place. At hundreds place, I can see I have 6 in one number. Means first number is 6 and next number is 5. Now take away 5 from 6. So if I take away 5 from 6, then I left with only 1. So I will write here 1 only. Now we go for thousands place. At thousands place, in first number I can see I have 5 and in second number I can see I have 3. So take away 3 from 5. Okay, so if we take away 3 from 5, then 4, 5. So again I have 2. So I will write here 2. Okay. Now at 10,000 place, I have only 7. So I will write here 7. Okay. So now after subtracting 3,562 from 75,684, I will get what? 72,122. Okay. Now we can verify this subtraction whether we are correct or not, whether we are doing subtraction correctly or not. We can verify also. So let's do verification. How we can do verification? There is a simple trick here. Okay, what is the trick? Now we will see. So for example, I have just subtracted 3,562 from 75,684. So what I will do for checking whether my answer is correct or not, what I will do, I will just add these two numbers, means last two numbers. Okay, for checking your subtraction is correct or not, you can do what? You can just add the last two numbers. So last two numbers here is what? 3,562 and 72,122. Let's add these two numbers. Okay, but if after the addition of these two number, I get the number this. If I get the number this, that means I am correct. Okay. But if I not get the number this, that means I am wrong. So I need to do subtraction again. Okay, let's do it. So first write 72,122. Okay, and then write this number 3,562. Now add these two numbers. Start adding from ones place. At ones place, I can see I have 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 is what? 2 plus 2 is 4. Like 2 and more 2. 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is what? 2 plus 2 is 4. So I will write here 2 only. Now 6 plus 2 is what? Keep the bigger number here and smaller number on fingers. Okay. 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here. Okay. Now at hundreds place. Which one is bigger? 1 or 5? 5 is bigger. So keep 5 here and 1 on finger. 5, 6. So I will write here 6. Now at thousands place I can see I have 2 and I have 3. Okay. So keep the bigger number here. Bigger number is 3. And smaller one 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. Now at 10,000 place, I can see I have only 7. So write 7 only here. Okay. Now just check that addition of these two number is exactly same as this number or not. Yes, check it now. 7, 7, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8, 4, 4. Yes, that means addition of these two numbers is this, which is equal to this number. So that means the subtraction is correct. So subtraction will be what? 72,122. Okay. Now let's do next question. So next question is this. Now we need to subtract 5,46,389 minus 8,000 minus 87,598. Okay, so let's do it. First we will start subtracting from ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place, then after thousands 10,000s place. So after 10,000s lakhs place. Okay, now start from ones place. At ones place I can see I have 8 here and 9 here. Okay, now take away 8 from 9. If I take away 8 from 9, I will left with only 1. So I will write here 1. Now at tens place I can see at first number I have 8 and at second number I have what? I have 9. Okay, so I know I cannot take away 9 from 8. That means I need to do here what? I need to do take carry over here. Let's start. So at ones place, if I take away 8 from 9, then I left here with 1. Now go at tens place. At tens place, I can see I have 8 and I have 9. So here at tens place, I have only 8. So I cannot take away 9 from it. That means I need to take away 1 carryover from next higher place. At next higher place, I have 3. So I will take away 1 from this. So if I take away 1 from the 3, then I left here with 2. Then I left here with 2. So I will write here 2 and that one here. And after that one, I will write 8. Okay. And I will cut this 8. Now take away 9 from it. 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. So now count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will write here 9. Now go at hundreds place. At hundreds place, I can see I have 2 and 5. So I cannot take away 5 from 2. Okay. So I will take 1 carry over from 6. So if I take away 1 from 6, then I left here with 5 and write 1 here. Now 12. So take away 5 from 12. 5 from 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count all these fingers. 5, 6, 7. So I will write here 7. Okay. Now at thousands place, I can see I have 5 and 7. So bigger number at second place. Now I'll take 1 carry over from next higher place, that means 4. So I will take 1 from 4. This means 3 here and 1 will be here. Okay. Now take away 7 from 15. 7 from 15. So if I take away 7 from 15, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now count 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write here 8. Okay. Now at 10,000 space, I can see I have 3 and 8. So now I cannot take away 8 from 3. So take carry over. Take 1 from 5, left with 4 and write that 1 here. Now take away 8 from 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. So I will write here 5. Okay. Now at legs place, I can see I have 4. So I will write 4 as it is. Now the answer will be what? Answer will be for 4,58,791. So now let's check this answer is whether correct or not. So how we can do this? We just add these two numbers first. Okay. If while adding these two numbers, if I get the answer which is equal to this number, then answer will be subtraction will be correct. Very good. So now add these two numbers. First I will write for 4,58,791. After it I will write 87,598. Now start adding. Start ones place. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is, do it by yourself. Yes, 9 plus 9 is 18. So write 8 here and 1 carry over to next higher place. Now at next higher place, I can see I have 7, 1 and 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. So keep 8 here and 5 on fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 3 here and 1 carry over to next higher place. Okay. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. So keep 9 here and 7 on fingers. 9, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 9 and 7. 9, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 6 here and 1 here. So 8 plus 1 is 9 because bigger number should be added to carry over. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. So keep 9 here and 5 on fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So keep 44 here and 1 here. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. So I will write 5,46,389. That means answer is correct. That means subtraction is correct. So now B part is for your practice. Let's do it B part. Okay. And then share your answer with me. Thank you.